Imagine finding a computer that's over 2,000 years old. In 1901, divers discovered a mysterious object.
At first, people thought it was just a broken piece of metal. But hidden inside were dozens of tiny bronze gears.
Scientists were shocked. This wasn't just a machine. It could predict eclipses, track planets, and follow the ancient Olympic Games.
Experts now call it the world's first analog computer. Built more than 2,000 years before modern computers.
Even today, researchers are still uncovering new secrets hidden inside its gears.
A machine centuries ahead of its time, proving that the ancient world was far more advanced than we once believed.